my channel. My name's Nancy and today I'm going to be doing this makeup look for you. So to start out with, I'm going to take the P. Louise base in shade 2 and use that to prime my eyelids. Just patting it on with a basic concealer brush and then also using it to carve out my eyebrows. So I'm doing a voiceover today because my little brother's off sick and you can hear him talking. So the eyeshadow palette that I'm going to be taking is the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills and using the shade Orange Soda and just using a big fluffy brush and just blending that into my crease, as you can see me doing here. Blend, blend. And then I'm going to take the shade Burnt Orange and just use that a bit lower and to pack it onto my outer corner just as a base for the darker shades to blend into, and also taking it into my crease just to deepen it a bit. Sorry if this is very jumbly, I'm not good at speaking. Yeah, and I've never done voiceover before, so if you like it, please thumbs up the video. So next I'm going to be taking Sienna and Rustic on a base eyeshadow brush from Real Techniques and just patting it onto my outer corner, sort of at an angle, just to make my eyes look more longer. And then I'm going to pat it into my crease as well, just so it gives the effect of a cut crease, because I'm going to be cutting my crease in a minute and I want to be able to see this colour still on in my crease. So I'm looking up and then I'm blending it out. I always look up to blend it out, not look up, like look back. But after that I'm going to be taking the shades Cypress Umber and Mulberry to darken that up a bit, add some more depth to the eye, and I'm just putting it in the same place I put the other two shades, just making sure that they all blend in together nicely. And then blend that out with a ABH Cosmetics blending brush, but I can't seem to find the link for it, but it's just a small blending brush, so any will do. Then I'm just taking P. Louise base and cutting my crease. I'll start by putting it on near to my lash line and look up, and it gives me a guide for where my cut crease should be. I'm just patting it on, joining it all together. I'll do this very slowly, because if you mess it up, it all just goes wrong. I'm just trying to make sure I'm getting it the same as the other side, because I'm the worst for making things symmetrical, so I have to keep looking, trying to make sure it's good. And I also blend the Rustic shade into it, and then I'm taking Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner in Midnight Cowboy. It's just gold glitter really, and I'm just lining my crease with it, but not putting it onto my lids. It's so pretty like this, as you can see. Just showing you. And then I'm taking the Thick and Fast mascara and just coating my eyelashes in that, ready for false eyelashes, which are from Primark, and they're the Land of Lashes collab that are exclusively in Primark. I don't know if they're still in there, but I'm taking it'll come up in a minute, them ones. I couldn't think of what it was called. Yeah, and I'm just putting them on with the Duo Lash Glue and using some tweezers to make sure they're as close to my lashes as possible, and making sure they're all stuck on and pushing them up so they don't look straight. And then I'm taking the I Heart Revolution Banana Split Radiance Primer with vitamin C and E. I'm just priming my face with that. It's so pretty. It's like it's a dewy primer, but it doesn't have big chunks of glitter in it. It looks like I'm rubbing my face so rough. I'm actually not. My face goes red when I touch it, and also my spots don't help. Well, I don't have many spots, I have more scars, but it doesn't help that my face isn't red all the time anyway. But I'm going to take the Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Foundation and taking the Spectrum Mean Girls buffer brush with that and just buffing that in. It's a bit dark for me. Well, it wasn't dark this dark in person, but on camera it's a bit more dark for me, so I blend it down my neck. And also taking the Zilis sponge just to blend it further into my skin. It's just such a nice dewy foundation. And I'm also taking the Conceal and Define concealer and putting it underneath my eyes, forehead, nose and chin, and then using the sponge to blend it out. But the foundation is really good for people with dry skin, but I have oily skin, it still works for me. And it's going to be so good for summer. Just blend it out. They just blend so seamlessly together. And just blend. And when I'm doing my eyes, I always leave that to last, just let it sit in a bit, but I just blend it all in on one side, and then I'll take the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder on the Real Techniques mini sponge, and I'll quickly set it just to make sure I get no creasing. Well, I always get one crease underneath my eye no matter what. Sorry if you can hear my mum, she's cooking dinner. But yeah, I just do one eye, blend it out, and then powder it, and then do the other eye. And then I'm taking whatever is left in the lid and just using that to powder the rest of my face lightly. It doesn't take away all the shine from the foundation though, just so when I get oily it doesn't look like I'm an oily mess. And I don't know what I took here, I can't find it anywhere, but I know it's a brown eye pencil. And just putting that over my freckle that I have on my face, and then blending it out, and then taking whatever eyeshadows I took on the outer corner and just blending them underneath my eye, just so it's not all top heavy. And I'm taking this bronzer on the number 7 brush and patting it on first, and then I blend it in circular motions. As you can see me doing here, I just blend it in circular motions after I pat it on. And also take it onto my forehead, just to make that look smaller and make sure it all just goes together, because it looks strange when you just have it on your cheeks, not on your forehead. Oh, here's me realising that I have foundation in my hair, and I do try to get rid of it, but I still have it on the other side. And I'm just taking a small angled brush and using that to contour using that with the bronzer to contour my nose, just to bring it back some, because it just looks strange when you don't, because it just looks flat from just having foundation and concealer on. Then I'm taking this blusher, but I can't find it anywhere, so I've linked another one below, but it's just a corally blusher. I cannot speak to save my life. I'm just taking an angled brush and patting that and then blending it, and then I use a sponge to blend it in some more. I like a lot of blush, but it doesn't seem to show up in videos. It started raining, so we can hear the rain as well. I'm so sorry. And I'm taking the I Heart Revolution Cookies and Cream Fixing Spray. As you can see, it got into my lungs a bit. My brother was laughing at that. And then I'm taking this highlighter, but as always, everything I use has been discontinued. I don't know why they've discontinued this. It's so pretty. It's like a white with the gold reflex. Such a pretty shade. I'm just taking a Real Techniques brush to pat it on my cheeks, just so it doesn't look like a line. And I'll just take it on a bit on my cupid's bow and on my nose. Now I'm taking this liquid lipstick in Lady Balls, and to my lips, this is such a Disney red. If you know what a Disney red is, or if you don't know, this is a Disney red. It's so pretty. I'm just applying that, and then that's it. And look, it's just, I don't know, I love wearing red lipsticks, it makes your teeth so white. But I hope you like it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below what videos you want me to see next, and I'll see you next time. Bye.